Why does your scanner show the P0438 engine code? What does it mean? P0438 is a diagnostic trouble code for catalyst temperature sensor circuit high, bank 2, sensor 1. The P0438 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a voltage reading from the catalyst temperature sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor. Damaged wiring or connectors. Poor electrical connection. Damaged or clogged catalytic converter. Engine misfires or rich air-fuel mixture. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Hyundai, Subaru, Chevrolet, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.